Hey everyone, Jim King back out here in Overland Park. I got my A-team, or a couple of guys from my A-team, out here waterproofing a basement here in Overland Park. There's other ways, other methodologies. Most of the people that do foundation repair, they sell putting a plastic sheet over the walls and jackhammering the floors about a foot out from the wall and exposing the footing and putting a little plastic trough on top of the footing, concreting over that. The plastic sheet will tuck down into that little trough and it'll run to a sump pump, either to an existing sump pump or one that they'll put in. And my methodology is a little bit different. That process there, it does work. The problem is no one seems to want to saw cut the floor. They'd rather just jackhammer it. And so future for the homeowner is replacing the floor or dealing with hundreds of cracks that's coming from jackhammered concrete without a saw cut. So just different methodologies. And we've waterproofed hundreds and hundreds of houses, saving people thousands of dollars on waterproofing just by sealing where the floor butts the wall, any visible wall cracks. A hairline crack can seep water. A 1-inch crack in a wall I've seen never leach water, but the basement flood and the water's coming from a hairline crack. So it's very strange. Water's weird. It travels definitely to the path of least resistance. And yeah, we got guys, there's not hardly any cracks on the floors, but we can't really get to those if we wanted to. But all the cracks in the walls have been sealed. KingPiers.com, 816-521-8915. You can always go to my website, KingPiers.com.